Alright, well, we're inside the machine. First thing I want to do is change this light. Got my new light bulbs. Old F15 T8s. 15 watt T8 style, 18-inch long, I think. So, let's see what we can do here. Got a couple of little screws over in this corner. Let's see how many of these we can drop. Okay, one. And one at the bottom. There it goes. And then this. It's a little flaky. There it goes. There it comes out. Something it shouldn't be. Come on. There it goes. Okay. And there it is. And the light just goes in between here and here. So, we're going to... I guess I should have thought better of this. I'm gonna reach over here and grab my lights. I guess I should have got one out of the package. There we go. Let's get that in. Not sure why it's not on. Well, that's annoying. Alright, well, we're going to go get the multimeter and make sure we got voltage, that this light bulb isn't bad. Back in a minute. I don't know. Not sure why the light's not working. It used to be. It's kind of annoying. Let's see if we can get this pile back together. There it goes. Alright, so once you got it in, you got to get the old screws back in it and lined up. Just a bit of a feat. There it goes. Okay. That's kind of annoying. Not sure why my light bulb didn't work, but I'll have to do a little more troubleshooting on that, because it was trying to light the other day, so it had power. I wonder if these stupid bulbs are bad. They both make a little rattle when you try to use them, but anyway, let's get this thing back together and play a little bit. Back in a minute. Alright, let's start with another $10. A few. Boy, this roll is short. Not a big fan of these hand-rolled rolls of quarters, because apparently you can send the bank $39.75 and they'll take, or $9.75 and they'll take it. Kind of annoying. All right. These are real rolls here, so these should be good. Let's get another 10. So we just put 40 in, got 26 out. Yeah. Come on. Ah, it's getting away. Oh no. Man, all my money's running away. Alright, back we go. There's 10. Ah. Actually, it did count that one. Thought it missed it. Yep, another 4. 10. Another 4. Alright, so we got 80 in and 54 out. Not great. Get my next $10. Alright, so it's going to be 30 bucks in. Yep, another 10. Yep, there's 20. There we go. Yeah. Another 10. Four. And the last of the 120. Alright, let's grab $10 in. There we go. Big money. Yeah, not like that. There we go, another 10. Few. Hey, another 10. Another 4. Another 4. Alright, well that's 160 in, 130 out. So she's not playing too free. Get my last roll of quarters for my $50 today. Put these in and then we'll play the credits. See what we got at the end of it. 10 right off the bat. Another 10. 4. Hey, 20. It's a nice one. Another 4. Darn close to even money so far. There we go, got another 10. Oh, another 10. Oh, and another 10. Alright, that's the last of our 200 coins. And we actually got 212 in the bank. So, what's that? $3? Profit? Let's see what we can do here. Probably going to go real cold for a while, I would think, given it just paid out quite a bit. And it certainly was slightly over 100% for that $20, or that $50, 200 coins. There's 4. This kind of stuff makes me wonder. I watched some videos on the YouTube of people playing super high stakes slots, like $250, $500, $700 a spin, and they hit, you know, $20, $30, $40,000 jackpots, but they keep playing. It's kind of like this. You know, you're throwing 50 cents at a time, but man, I didn't hit that 5,000, so let's go. Whew. Run it all right back in, even at the big money. Hey, another 10. Another 10. She's kind of just hanging around 190. Oh, there's another 4. Oop, taking a break, thinking. There it goes. Finding all the little tiny light bulbs to get all these lights to work was kind of something, because they are super small. If I recall, they're about the size of a grain of rice. Hey! Just realized. Well, that came on. I don't know why it took that long. Maybe the little transformer or whatever it is taking a crap. But yeah, that's much better. All right. Here's another 4. Yeah, nice teaser there. It would have been 200. Another 4. Come on. Tease. The other thing that's interesting to me is how some of them are very fast and some of them take a little longer to set. Some of them just click, 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 and the other ones, you know, can take a little longer. It's interesting. There we go. Thought she was probably due. Oop. There's 4. Taking it back a little bit now. Should have quit after I put my 50 bucks in. Right, down to 150 coins. Now she's getting hungry. Yep, there's 10. What did we see? We saw a couple of 20s today, but that's it so far. I think the other day we had at least 140. So we'll see where we end up today. 10. Another 10. Keeps teasing the 40. Nice. And she's eating now. We'll see if she does like she did the other day when we get down to 100, see if it starts coming back. There's 4. See, we haven't been playing too long, so we're just going to keep going. Alright, now we're down 25 bucks. Yep, there's 4. Nope. Yeah. Next video we're going to go in and pull that module out over there for the arm and get that so it's a little smoother since the light's working now. And she's going down below 70. There's 10. Oop, gotta think. Come on, reset. Maybe not. Oop, another 4. 10. No big ones today. Oop. Hey, another 10. It's coming back a little bit. Yep, 10. Oh, there's a 40 with a double wild. That's pretty cool. Very nice. Very nice. That's our most interesting one yet. Oh. I love it. Woo, now she's hitting. But again, it feels like we're winning something, but I'm still down 60 coins. Going for the comps. I'll get a free soda out of the fridge after this. Oop. I think another reason, obviously, for the tickets that they use today is You know, it's cleaner, it's less hassle. You need another nice one. You need less people in the cage to change. But it also, it's harder to keep track of what you've put in and what you've taken out. You know, and I know I've put 200 in there and whatever that is, but you keep feeding hundreds into it and it just becomes a number, just like using chips at the poker table or the blackjack table. It's just divorces you from the value of whatever you're actually forking over. All the psychology of the casinos. Just taking it away again. Ups and downs. Oh, another 40. There we go. Very nice. Still not getting close to that 200 we were at. Big 10. Hey, another 20. Still keeps dropping though. Hey, there's 100. There's 100. I knew there was one in there somewhere. So now I'm what? $2, $3, $4 up. Alright, well, we're going to keep going and she's still hitting. Another 4. We're going to get her down to 200 and cash her back out, and we'll have broken even for today. But my light works, so that's kind of nice. Alright, now let's see if she'll count it up. She counted her. 200. Alright, well that wasn't too bad. It's a pretty good run. And like I said, my light's working. She's looking good. So now all the lights on the front are working anyway. So, like I said, I think the next video, I'm going to go in there, we're going to pull the arm mechanism off, lube it all up, and see if we can get it to stop being so crunchy. Anyway, Hope you all having a good day. See you on the next one.